Let's see, man. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. I just skimmed my shit. That's crazy. Buddy. You might just not die. We hurt each other with the words we wanna say. That's a toy. What up, TKG? I promised y'all more IRL content. I'm gonna deliver more IRL content. Now, what we doing today is unboxing my refrigerator because the house is, as you could see, empty. It's very empty, and it's hard to give y'all the best amount of IRL content when I have to worry about unboxing fridges and getting couches and making sure this place don't echo like it's echoing right now. Is this mic still on? It seems like to be. Yeah, I see stuff moving. All right, we're gonna be unboxing this fridge. I got a Frigidaire from Frigidaire, as we can see. So we about to just unbox this thing. Y'all gonna just be here with me, man. I appreciate you guys. I wonder if I could play music without having it so loud to the point where I could listen to it and not get banned. Let's see. I'm gonna go there with that. Yeah. Now I'm here with this. Let's see, man. I just skimmed my shit. That's crazy. That's why you gotta pay attention, kids. That's why you gotta pay attention. Why was I even cutting towards my finger in the first place? That was a dumb mistake. Cut away from yourself, guys. I made a mistake that I know I shouldn't have made. That's the worst part about a mistake. When you make a mistake you know you shouldn't make. Like, why am I cutting towards myself, bruh? You get on video and you act like you've never used a blade before. Like, away. Don't make the same mistake I made, kids. Do not cut. Oh, wow, this is bleeding pretty bad. Oh my God, that's gnarly. That's gnarly. Oh my God. This is nasty work, man. Jesus. You won't be doing home improvement if you're not cutting yourself with a blade, man. Jesus. Oh, that's gnarly, man. That hurts a lot. Alright. As a grown man, quitting a task because you're bleeding profusely is not allowed. I must finish this task as I bleed. Because if I quit because I'm bleeding, I'm pussy. But this is not a... This is a... Oh, my Lord. I don't want to... I'm going to try to show y'all it before it start bleeding. You see that? Oh, wow. That's getting out there really fast. It's getting out there really fast. All right. Remember, don't do what I did, man. Oh, I'm leaking blood, bro. Yikes, bro. This is insane. Do I have tape? I don't know if I have tape. Ooh. I want to quit so bad, bruh. Oh, I want to quit so bad. Oh, I'm glad I missed the main part of my finger. This could have went way worse. Bruh. This not good, bro. This very not good, bro. This really not good, bro. Actually, I might want to just douse it in water, maybe. Get it in some water. Oh, that's not right. Oh my God. Oh, that's gnarly. That's not, ooh. Oh. In the music eyes, there's no comfort in the truth. Pain. Alright, bro, let's get this fridge out, bro. I can't complain forever. I can't complain forever. Oh, it's gonna be hard to do it with one finger. That's how the instructions said do it, twin. Can I hug this bitch? Nah, I need something to grab it by, or I could open it up from that way possibly. Where my blade go? The night the music sings so loud, I wish that we could lose this crowd. Baby, it's better this way. We hurt each other with the words we wanna say. It could have been so good together. I'm injured. Don't mind me, I'm injured. I'm trying to do a job while injured. Let's see. Go away from the body. You might just not die. We hurt each other with the words we wanna say. We could have been so good together. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, mate. Let's go, mate. Where's the front? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I almost lost my finger, but I'm okay. Oh, that paper towel? What that is? Oh, God. We could have been so good together. Maybe it's better this way. I can't believe I did this nuthead shit and cut myself with that blade, boy. We could have been so good. I can hear my pops now, boy. I told you stop playing with them knives. I told you, boy. All that playing with them knives. You is not no ninja. If I wanted you to, if I would have seen you being a ninja, I would have married a Chinese woman, boy. That's what my pops something like that. I ain't married no Chinese woman. You ain't no ninja. Maybe it's better this way. Hurt each other with the words we wanna say. Let me hear I need to hear George, twin. I need to hear George, twin. I'm gonna play it low for the mic don't pick it up, but I'm gonna just sing it out loud. Bro. Hurt each other with the words we wanna say. I appreciate y'all again for supporting me. Without y'all, none of this would be possible. Not the house, the refrigerator, nothing. So when I do stuff like this, and I'm like showing the progress on how we're doing things better. I just want you guys to know it's not just me doing things better, it's you guys too, man. I would not be able to do this stuff without you guys, man. You guys are literally a pivotal piece of this puzzle. And I can't stress that enough, man. I really can't. Time to die. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Yeah, off the muscle. But in the truth, pain is the higher find. Bro, I know y'all probably don't want to see it, but this how bad my finger is. I can't show it for a long time. That's how bad it's messed up, bro. Oh. All right. Can y'all see that fridge? Just to make sure y'all can. I'm gonna do a quick little zoom for y'all can see it up close. That's the fridge. All right. I'll do a little quick open up. Still stuck. All right. All right. Freezer. Should've known better than a cheater, friend. Inside the fridge. Not really too sure where I'm putting this at, honestly, but hey. Oh, I'm nothing without you. Time will never heal. Where is the plug for you? That'd be cool to know. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is that all you find. Guilty, but no rhythm. Need to pretend I know you're not a fool. Should've never been a cheater, friend. I'ma change your angle. Because I think I'm going to put it in this corner over here. Mind the mess, bro. I just moved. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. 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 I truly don't care. I hear you, but I don't care. Is that good? I don't care. Oh, the leg, no, the camera, oh, everything at once. All right, boom. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is that all you find. All right. How balanced is this? If it's not bad, I don't care. All right, cool. I don't care. All right, I think it's going in this corner. Oh wow, I didn't mean to have that there. All right, that was a toy. That's a toy. I can close these. I'm thinking about this corner for the fridge. Keep it out the way, tucked in in a tuck. Let me know what y'all think. Should I probably move it away? I don't know. Nothing's pretty much locked in. Just simply off the fact of I wasn't planning on having to do this stuff. So now that I'm having it, I was looking over there, the camera's over there, I'm a fool. All right. Silly me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a true smoker, cause my first thought right now was like, bro, no, I ain't gonna lie. I'm for sure about to get a little slight smoke break in, bro. My finger hurting like shit. I almost died today, twin. Look at all this blood. I wrapped it. Look at this junk. That's the outside layer, twin. I'm telling the hood, somebody tried to stab me on, bro. I'm outside. I'm lurking. It's 11:30 at dark outside. I'm gun on hip, ready to launch it. And I'm just looking around. Dude come from behind. Throw the knife at my face. I put my hand up. Block. Run away. This how this happened. Bro, I almost lost my life. bro. Almost lost my life, bro. The streets ain't never did nothing for me, bro. Almost lost my life, bro. I'm in the cut. I'm lurking around. I'm where they at, though? I'm ready to slide. And they never, man, I'm bleeding, bro. It's hard to function when I'm bleeding like this, bro. Y'all niggas talking about this and that. I'm bleeding, bro. This shit real life fucked up, G. I'm out here hurt. And y'all laugh. I'm real life hurting, bro. Y'all don't get it. It's not clocking to y'all. That I'm standing on business, bro. My finger about to fall off. I gotta hit this little joint, bro. I gotta hit this wood, twin. I gotta hit the wood. I got to. I gotta smack the wood, twin. My finger almost fell off. It's real life, bro. A part of Dalton I realized is nobody really to complain to. I almost chopped my finger off unboxing this fridge. Who the hell I'm gonna tell? Huh? Who really care about me? Who really even cares? Now I'm out blowing Woodski, the master painter, having nobody to talk to. That's some deep shit. Niggas don't even smoke the weed because they like smoking weed, bro. We just want to talk to somebody, ain't got nobody to talk to, so we blow the wood. Oh, bro, all the problems just go right into the wood. Before I waste air on that bitch, I waste air to this wood. On my brother. Before I waste air on that bitch. I'm bleeding all over the fridge and shit, twin. This shit fucked up. I'm bleeding all over the fridge and shit. I know it's some hood niggas that can relate to this dumb shit. Oh my God. Cannot believe I almost cut my finger off. This shit sting like a motherfucker too. Let me put this wood down and focus up, bro. This blood is not gonna stop. Hey, don't look at my butt. Don't look at my butt. Hey, nah. Relax on my kid, boy. All right. I should probably give it to this though. I was just trying to be done at this point. Why this bitch won't turn back on? I don't know, twin. I don't know. Honestly, I couldn't tell y'all, bro. This what it look like. Lights on and stuff. I don't know if it's working though. Lights on, but I don't know if it's working. So if I unplug it and plug it here, the light stay on. Okay. All right. There she go. Oh man, as y'all can see, when I get quiet, bro, I mean I'm pretty frustrated or just fed up with the thing in general, right? And I'm fed up, bro. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Here's the freezer, the fridge inside. Oh yeah, to the next adventure, man. Why is it uneven? Oh, I probably should close that. Yeah. What's up?
Hey, you still got stock in Burrow?
Nah,
Is it no?
nah, it's going up.
Yeah, it's at 42. Saying the Wolf saying it's supposed to drop to one, supposed to go to $1. So they
Where?
gonna get back in that bitch.
What's keeping you from doing it?
Huh?
I said, what's stopping you?
I don't know. Talking about. Well, you didn't stop me. I'm trying to wait till it just drop again. Drop like 30, 35, something like that.
Where?
Yeah. What you in right now?
Goddamn. I gotta look, but I'm doing this fridge video right now.
Oh, alright, Ben. Tap in with me.
It's on. Why is it uneven though?